Changing the currency in the MetaTrader 4 is pretty simple thing to do. You need to focus and need to understand the concept of changing the currency basically because the MetaTrader 4 does not allow you to completely change the currency once you have created an account. What you guys can do is ask your broker to change the currency or create a new account for you guys. And the other thing is that what you guys can do is to follow these simple steps. For example, open a new account, contact your broker to create an account in the desired currency, create different pairs, use market watch to create currency pairs. All right, and use tools, install the indicators, EAs, that is scripts to convert balances to the other currencies. So, like, if you are gonna use the script, simply go to the scripts and simply drag in the scripts that you have wrote just for the indicators. And the thing is that you can swap between different sort of currencies, like over here in the trading you can go with the Great Britain pound and to USD, which is right here, and then euro to the USD, and the USD to Japan, and see, you guys can convert all the currencies right here. But if you want to change your currency, the currency of your account, then you need to ask your broker to create a new account for that particular currency and the region. So this is the only way that you guys can do it. I hope you find this video helpful and knowledgeable because it is straight to the point, and I don't want to waste your time by telling you that it can be done by any other mean because it can't be done. So it is the only solution to get your currency change off your account. I hope you found this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.